Okay, so today I'm going to talk a little bit about the Smart Cut screen, which is some cutting processes so that you don't have to go back to the original design and delete stuff and send back to the cut screen. So what we'll do is we'll just start off with a simple job as a double mat, and I'll throw in a V-groove, also a pen tool. I'll just space that out just so we can see what's happening. Okay, so when I send this to the cut screen, it opens up the cut screen. So what I want to talk to you about is the job filters and different layers. So if you've put the wrong color down first and you need to cut the bottom one or the top, we can just click on or off. So if I click this number 2, all it will do is cut the bottom mat. If I unclick the bottom one and click the top one, it'll just cut the top one. Or we can come down here to job filter, and what job filter will do, it gives us all the options that are on that screen, the original design. So normal cut would be your beveled cut, your V-groove, decor, and none is basically just an outside cut. So if I click just V-groove and I send to cut, all it will do is just the V-groove, and that's all it will do. If I click the decor, so you forgot to put the pen in, but it's done everything else, click decor, click cut, and that's all it will do is just the pen. It won't do any openings, any external. If I click none with external cut and click, what it will do is just the outside cut, won't do anything else in the middle. So for the purpose of as a backing board, so rather than having to go back to the design screen, delete all of your openings and stuff, yeah, we can do that. I hope this helps.